Good morning, Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to perform an activity based on unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated solutions.
For this activity, we required salt, 3 beakers, and water.
Then we take a beaker and add 20 ml of water in it.
20 ml.
And add 20 ml of water in it. Now add some salt in it and start stirring with the help of stirring rod.
Now you observe the salt is completely dissolved in water. Dissolved in water.
दोबारा बोलना.
You observe that this is the unsaturated solution because it's properly dissolved in water. So this is unsaturated solution.
So beta, here you observe that this salt is properly dissolved in water, and that's why we can say that this is unsaturated solution. देखिए आप, it is properly dissolved. दिख रहा है? Properly dissolved है? Yes, Bindiya, come here. You see here, it is properly dissolved in water. Come here, come here. कोई कण कुछ दिख रहे हैं, क्रिस्टल्स दिख रहे हैं, प्रॉपर्ली डिसॉल्व हो चुका है, घुल चुका है. सो ये कौन सा सॉल्यूशन है? Unsaturated solution.
And we take B beaker and
अब नहीं बोले बेटा.
put 20 ml water in it.
And second beaker, and in the second beaker, here again we dissolve 20 ml water into the beaker. Now add some salt into the beaker. Now stir with the help of a stirring rod. Now here we observe that the salt is not properly dissolved in water. So here this is the solution of saturated solution, because here this is not, salt is not properly dissolved in water. That's why we can say that this is the saturated solution. Now next is, again we use third beaker, and
Now we take third beaker and take liquid warm water and put 20 ml water in
into
it.
the beaker.
And you can see the 20 ml water in the liquid warm water in the beaker. And we take a spoon and we take salt and dissolve in it. And we take one stirring rod and start stirring the liquid warm water. As you can see, some crystal is remain at the bottom of the beaker.
Yes, some crystals are left vacant.
So now we observe that the water is super saturated solution.
Why this is super saturated solution? Because some crystals are left vacant into the beaker or at the bottom of the beaker. So this is the differentiation between the saturated, unsaturated and super saturated solution. So here we observe that some crystals are remain or left or settle down at the bottom of the beaker. Observe करें बेटे सभी, देखिए आप नीचे कि बॉटम पर जो है वो क्रिस्टल्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं.
Yes.
दिखाई दे रहे नहीं दे रहे हैं. See in this beaker, some crystals are left vacant at the bottom of the beaker.
And you can also see in the liquid warm water, the salt dissolved more fast as compared to the first and second beaker. Okay. and such type of solution is called super saturated solution, and in this beaker we take a liquid water.
Liquid water है.
So you can see the first beaker in which we take a 20 ml of water and add some salt, and this solution is unsaturated solution, and this solution also appear very clear because all the particles are dissolved in the solvent water. Okay, and you can see the second beaker C, that is super saturated solution, in which we take a liquid warm water and add more salt in the beaker, and you can see the some crystal of the salt appear at the bottom of the beaker. So such type of solution we know the super saturated solution. And the beaker,
The size of the particles are large.
and the size of the particle are larger as compared to the saturated solution. In saturated solution we take a normal water and add salt in it add more salt as compared to the unsaturated solution, and this solution the particle size is smaller as compared to the super saturated solution. So such type of solution we know the saturated solution. In beaker A you can see this solution is totally transparent, and this solution is saturated solution, and this is dull solution, and this is the third one is super saturated solution. In this the solution is more blur as compared to saturated solution.